Hi everyone, I'm Mr. Mizrahi and today we're going to talk about...
Hi everyone, in this video we are going to learn about the order of operations. That is a set of different operations within one mathematical sentence. So if for example we have 2 to the third power divided by 2 times 12 minus 3 plus 5, which is inside a parenthesis, which operation are we going to do first? So there are two famous acronyms that students use. The first one is Pemdas and the second is BEDMAS. I think that a lot of students find the second one, BEDMAS, easier to remember. So BEDMAS is made of B-E-D, bed, M-A-S, mass. B stands for brackets or parentheses, E stands for exponents, D division, M multiplication, A addition, S subtraction. So in this sentence, for example, 2 to the third power divided by 2 times 12 minus 3 plus 5, we have exponents, division, multiplication, subtraction, and addition inside a parenthesis. Which one are we going to do first? Correct, we are going to do the 3 plus 5. Even though it's plus, it's an addition, we're going to do it first because it's inside the parentheses. And how are we going to do that? We're going to draw a little funnel. Okay, a little funnel right here, 3 plus 5, 8. And with the rest of the sentence, we're just going to copy it down. And in this way, we're going to avoid the careless mistakes that students make by doing a lot of operations in one sentence. Here in the funnel system, we do one operation at a time. So we end up with 2 to the third power divided by 2 times 12 minus 8. Which operation are we going to do? So we are done with the brackets or the parentheses. Now, we are looking at the E, the exponents. Do we have any exponents? Yes, we do. 2 to the third power. 2 times 2 times 2. That is 8. Again, we're drawing a little funnel and then an 8. And I just copy down the rest of the sentence. Divided by 2 times 12 minus 8. And then I have division, multiplication, and subtraction. Which one should I do first? Correct, the division. Even though I have multiplication next to it, because division and multiplication are on the same level, I'm just going to do whatever comes first from the left. So 8 divided by 2, a little funnel, 4, right? And then I copy down the rest of the sentence, times 12 minus 8. And here I have multiplication and subtraction. We will then do the multiplication first. 4 times 12 is 48. I draw another funnel, and then I copy down the minus 8. 48 minus 8, another funnel, and the answer is 40. And this is how we do the order of operations with the funnel system, which avoids the usual careless mistakes that students make in order of operations. Thank you.